Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video. I just got a parcel today and I don't know what is inside it. Okay, here you go. So there's a tab here. There it is. Oh wow, it's the new iPad Pro 2020. That's it. Wow, look at that wallpaper. Put the box to one side. That's to one side. There you go. So it says the iPad Pro. Look at the wallpaper. We've got an easy tab on the top to open it. It pulls down. So it's like this. Pull down. Very easy. Like that. Wow, look at that. And then I'm going to open it up. Here we go, here's the big unveiling. I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to this. Come on, it's coming. Come on, it's going to come out the box. Just gently. And looking after this thing, I'm not going to take... It's 11 inches. It's 11 inches iPad Pro. It's what I wanted, and I'm sorry, I'm so excited. I can't take this out of the box. I'm so excited and so happy. Alright, come on. Hang on, I got it. There you go. Oh, look at that. And there's a tab here. Sorry, Dad. Right. And here you go. Lift it up from the tab. And there it is. So here it is, the iPad Pro 2020. And it's I'm going to talk to you about it and what the features it has. And I'm going to show you right after the intro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my new iPad Pro 2020, and I love how it feels. It feels very nice in the hand. I got the 11 inches, and it's got the quad speakers at the bottom here, on the top here as well, and also it's got Face ID up the top here, and the sides here, and the corners. You can see the side there, you know, and also it's got the connector for the pen tool as well. Okay, now next you've got your volume knobs there. And also you've got your power on button there, and I don't know if that might be actually for activating Siri as well, but or you can actually just call them out if you want to. And then here's a camera. You've got the wide lens camera and the small camera as well. And then the other one here for the scanner, and then the microphone. It's got 4 quad microphones on this. It's got all on both sides around, you know. It's got a good speaker sound as well, and that's it. So what you get in the box, you get your pamphlet, you get your the setup guide. Tells you how to about the smart connector, scribble that will come soon on the new iOS 14. And then here's your Face ID, how to swipe to unlock it, and there's you see there, all this there. Okay. You get your this as well. You've got that as well, and also let's get the Apple stickers, the big Apple stickers. You get big Apple stickers, and that's it. And then you just get the Type-C cable, and also the 18-watt power charger as well. So okay, I'm going to show you the plug. Is a Type-C plug. You use this end to plug it in, like so, and then you plug this end, this other Type-C, into the bottom of the iPad. And now I'm going to show you the sound on these 4 quad speakers and how quality they are. They're like Dolby Atmos as well. Dolby Atmos. Okay. Okay. That's good. It will sound good, doesn't it? It does pretty good. I like it. On this camera is you got on the side here, you got like you got the close up. That's your wide angle lens, your push back lens, and then you go back to that one, and then just go on to scrolling it there, go forward and back, and 1.1 to 0.5. Okay, all right. And it's got a flash on it. You can do the flash on it. So here you go. Watch the flash go off. So it flashes. You got a rotation. That's the rotation, not the camera. Haven't got a rotation there. And then as you can see, you take a you see a picture there. You got modes there for video, slow mo, time lapse, and you got like you got yourself like that. You can see me. That you can change different pictures and make it black. Yeah, see. It makes my hair look a little bit more ghosty like in the back there, doesn't it? Yeah. It's very good, isn't it? I like it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Right. So now I'm going to show you about the home screen, and now it's what you do. How to get back to the main home screen? You have to swipe up. It will come up with this, and then another swipe, and then it will push it back into home screen again. And you're welcome back to your home screen again, and then you can go into any other apps. And then if you want to see your other apps you're left behind, they're still on the background, still on. So just swipe again, hold it, and then hold it for a few seconds, and then it should just come up, and then that's it. And then if you just swipe up to get rid of them all, and then that's it. Okay, and then if you press on one of these, and you have to like this, hold your hand like that, and then just close it down like that. It's easy. Okay. Okay, and then all the other apps here. You got App Store, and then. So I enjoyed this iPad. I like the way it feels, and it looks very nice. And I think it's a very good iPad. I recommend you should get one of these. I think I give it a best 10 out of 10, and it's a very good iPad, and its Face ID is very easy, very quick. The swiping is very easy. The screen's very good. The touch screen is very good. Swiping, fresh rate is fantastic. The fresh rate is fantastic. Sorry. And it's the picture quality looks fantastic. LCD display looks great. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell icon to let you know when the next video drops. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.